Hershey's chocolate is an American classic. For over a century, it has delighted taste buds worldwide. Milton Hershey, the founder, had a vision. He wanted to make chocolate accessible to everyone. His dream became a reality. Today, Hershey's is a household name. Its iconic chocolate bars are instantly recognizable. Their taste evokes childhood memories for many. The story of Hershey's chocolate is a fascinating journey. It all starts with the humble cocoa bean. These beans are sourced from tropical regions around the world. Hershey's takes pride in selecting only the finest quality beans. The beans are the foundation of their delicious chocolate. They are the heart of the Hershey's legacy. The journey from bean to bar is a meticulous one. It is a process that transforms raw ingredients into a beloved treat. First, the cocoa beans arrive at the factory. They are carefully inspected and sorted. Only the best beans make it to the next stage. This ensures that the final product meets Hershey's high standards. Next, the beans are cleaned and roasted. Roasting is a crucial step. It brings out the rich flavor and aroma of the chocolate. The beans are roasted at precise temperatures and durations. This ensures consistency in flavor. The aroma of roasting beans is intoxicating. It fills the factory with a sweet chocolatey scent. Roasting transforms the beans from bitter to flavorful. The heat releases their natural oils and sugars. This creates the characteristic chocolate flavor. Different types of beans require different roasting profiles. Hershey's experts have mastered this art. They roast each bean variety to its full potential. This attention to detail is what sets Hershey's apart. After roasting, the beans are cracked and winnowed. This removes the outer shells, leaving behind the nibs. The nibs are the heart of the cocoa bean. They contain cocoa butter and cocoa solids. These two ingredients are the building blocks of chocolate. The nibs are then ground into a thick paste called chocolate liquor. Section 4. Conching and tempering, the art of smoothness. Chocolate liquor is quite bitter on its own, a far cry from the sweet treat we all know and love. To make it palatable, it undergoes further processing, transforming it from a bitter liquid to a delightful confection. Sugar, milk, and other ingredients are added to the liquor, creating a rich and creamy mixture. This mixture is then conched, a critical step in chocolate making. Conching is a process of continuous mixing and heating, which helps to develop the chocolate's flavor and texture. It refines the texture of the chocolate and develops its flavor, making it smoother and more enjoyable. Conching can last for hours or even days, depending on the desired smoothness and flavor profile. The longer the conching time, the smoother the chocolate becomes, resulting in a luxurious mouthfeel. After conching, the chocolate is tempered, another essential step in the process. Tempering is a crucial step that involves carefully heating and cooling the chocolate. This process ensures that the chocolate sets correctly, giving it a stable structure. This process ensures that the cocoa butter crystallizes properly, which is key to the final product's quality. Proper tempering gives the chocolate a glossy sheen and a satisfying snap, characteristics of high-quality chocolate. It also prevents the chocolate from melting easily in your hand, ensuring a delightful experience from the first bite to the last. Section 5. A World of Chocolate, Hershey's Diverse Creations. Hershey's is a name synonymous with chocolate, and their range of products is a testament to their innovation and dedication to quality. Hershey's produces a wide variety of chocolate products. From the classic milk chocolate bars to the more adventurous flavored chocolates, there's something for everyone. Each product has its own unique recipe and manufacturing process. This ensures that every bite delivers the distinct taste and texture that Hershey's is known for. The classic Hershey's milk chocolate bar is known for its smooth, creamy texture. It's a favorite among chocolate lovers worldwide. It is made with milk chocolate liquor, sugar, milk, and cocoa butter. These ingredients are carefully blended to create the perfect balance of sweetness and creaminess. Hershey's Kisses, on the other hand, have a more distinct shape and texture. These bite-sized treats are perfect for sharing or enjoying on your own. Their recipe and manufacturing process differ slightly. The unique shape and individual wrapping make them a standout product in the Hershey's lineup. Hershey's also produces dark chocolate, white chocolate, and flavored chocolates. Each type offers a different taste experience, catering to a variety of preferences. Each type of chocolate requires specific adjustments to the recipe and manufacturing process. This attention to detail ensures that every product meets Hershey's high standards. For example, dark chocolate contains a higher percentage of cocoa solids, giving it a more intense flavor. This makes it a popular choice for those who prefer a richer chocolate experience. White chocolate, on the other hand, does not contain any cocoa solids and has a milder, sweeter flavor. It's a delightful option for those who enjoy a creamy, sweet treat. Section 6. Quality First, the Hershey's Standard. Throughout the entire chocolate-making process, Hershey's maintains rigorous quality control standards. They have dedicated teams that monitor every step of the process. From the sourcing of cocoa beans to the final packaging of the chocolate, quality is paramount. Hershey's also conducts taste tests to ensure that their chocolate meets consumer expectations. They have a trained panel of tasters. These tasters evaluate each batch of chocolate for flavor, aroma, and texture. Hershey's commitment to quality has earned them the trust of generations of consumers. When you bite into a Hershey's chocolate bar, you can be confident that you are enjoying a product that has been crafted with care and precision. Section 7. A Sweet Conclusion. From the humble cocoa bean to the iconic chocolate bar, the journey of Hershey's chocolate is a testament to the power of innovation and dedication. Each step in the process, from harvesting the finest cocoa beans to the meticulous crafting of the chocolate bars, reflects a commitment to quality and excellence. Milton Hershey's vision of making chocolate accessible to everyone has been realized on a global scale. His dream was not just about creating a product, but about bringing joy and sweetness into people's lives. The next time you enjoy a piece of Hershey's chocolate, take a moment to appreciate the craftsmanship behind it. Think about the countless hours of labor, the expertise and the passion that goes into every single bar. Remember the journey from bean to bar. It's a story of transformation, of turning raw ingredients into something magical. Think of the farmers who cultivated the cocoa beans, often in remote and challenging environments, the workers who roasted and ground them with precision and care, and the chocolatiers who transformed them into the sweet treat you hold in your hand. Their artistry and skill are evident in every bite. Hershey's chocolate is more than just a snack. It represents a rich heritage and a tradition of excellence. It is a symbol of American ingenuity and a testament to the enduring appeal of a timeless classic. Hershey's chocolate continues to delight people around the world, bringing smiles and creating moments of joy for generations to come.